Hey there, welcome to the free training series. Today we are going to resend the email that we sent out last time, and this time we're only going to send it to people who didn't open it. We're just going to try to see if we can get more clicks, get more sales, and repurpose content for anyone who may have missed the email on Thursday. So here's the email we sent out right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to clone it. So the first step is to send it to everyone who didn't actually open or click on the email before. So I'm going to come here, and when it says who will receive the broadcast, I'm going to do a custom segment, and I'm going to pick my filter based on the last email we sent. So email broadcast filters, we're going to say email was not opened, has not opened email broadcast. And then we get to select the specific broadcast. Now, this is why I try to put the dates in there, because it's easy for me to remember and then find it. So this is the email. So we are going out of the almost 3,000 people we sent it to last time. We are just going to send it to the people who never bothered to open the email. So let's apply that. We're not going to save the segment. We're only going to do this a one-time thing. And look, it's going to go out to 2,100 people. Again, this is just good for warming up our list. Now, the only other thing we're going to do is we're going to rename it. There's actually two things we're going to do. We're going to rename it as Resend to Unopens. We're going to come up with a new subject line. So maybe I would like to do something with emojis, something a little more fun, and let me just take a minute to come up with something. Okay, we're just going to do that subject. So, yes, it's going to be polarizing, but that's going to be a good thing. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and save and continue. And this time, I'm going to schedule it for Monday evening. And it's going to go out Monday evening, the time zone that I am in. So let's go ahead and do 8:30 p.m. Apply. And then we're going to confirm, and then it will send out, and we'll see how our open rates do. Now, our last email, Kajabi gave us the answer, 24% open rate. That's pretty good. I feel like above 20% is good. The click rate, 1% is not great, but this is a cold email list, and we don't know if it's a lot of local people or online people, so we'll run with that. So if you want to get more tasks that I do online and know more of these like little tricks of what I do, download my freebie. It's 10 of my most requested tasks that I've done online for my clients since year one of me working online, and it'll help you get started. That link is in the description, and I'll see you next time.